Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Travel Luxury with Ruchika. Today I have come to Taj Damdama Lake, the resort and spa, and this is a wonderful property. And in this I am going to spend 2 nights here in this room, and actually this is a deluxe suite. So I will be giving you the show round of my suite. So let's see how it is. So as soon as we enter, we directly reach the living room. The living room is very bright and beautiful. As you can see, this is the dining space where we can sit and enjoy these welcome amenities, fruits. Here is the sofa, which is nice and comfortable. Just towards my right side is the balcony, which is really more attractive. Why? Because of a lot of greenery and the beautiful flowers. Yeah, this is the balcony space. Chairs and table to sit and relax and enjoy the tea in the morning or evening. So यहाँ पे आराम से बैठ करके गप्पे मारी जा सकती हैं, चाय पी जा सकती है और इन कचनार के फूलों को देखा जा सकता है जो कि खूबसूरती बढ़ा रहे हैं और आंखों को ठंडक दे रहे हैं. This side also is of this suite only, and here also we have chair and the table. So this greenery is the reason why people love this place. And this deluxe suite is the newly constructed one. So all the furniture and everything, whatever you see here, is absolutely new. So this is the workstation area where I can sit and complete my work. So the television is there to enjoy. When we are sitting on the sofa, we can watch the television. And before I go to the bedroom, I would like to show you the powder room for the guests who are coming to see me. Just beautiful wash basin and the WC here. Here is the mini bar, kettle and the coffee making machine. And the amenities to prepare the tea or coffee. With this, I'll go to the bedroom. So this is the bedroom, which is very neatly arranged and very inviting one. So neat and proper it is looking. Just look at the wall work behind the bed. And if I draw the curtains, from here also, we can go out and enjoy the balcony. एक अलग ही फील आती है, अलग ही एहसास होता है जब बालकनी में आते हैं. ठंडी हवा, खुशबू और चिड़ियों की आवाज़ दिन बना देती है. मेरा तो वो ज़रूर बना देती है. So this is the storage area यहाँ पे, और ये है कबर्ड जो कि काफ़ी डीप है और एक सेफ भी है जहाँ हम अपने एक्सपेंसिव चीज़ों को सही तरीके से सेफ हिफाजत के साथ रख सकते हैं. एंड बाथरूम्स, here is the washroom area with a beautiful huge mirror, bathtub. Just in front is the shower cabin with the overhead shower and the hand shower, and all the amenities of Forest Essential, as the Taj is having the Forest Essential everywhere. And here is the WC for the guest. And the television to enjoy. So, what do you think? Are you liking this deluxe suite? I am liking it because there is one more attraction. If you come to this deluxe suite, there is one more room which can get connected if you have kids with you. So the next room can get connected and you can enjoy one extra room with it. But without that extra room, the tariff of this suite is around 40,000 rupees per night. But definitely, if I am coming here, for me there are discounts, and I am going to just pay 15,000 rupees per night. Yes, a different experience, a different place, a new place, खूबसूरत कश्मीर के फूल और पूरी हरी भरी ग्रीनरी आसपास में, अच्छी हवा, ठंडी हवा, और हाँ कभी कभी बंदर भी आ जाते हैं सो मैं इसलिए दरवाजे बंद करके रखती हूँ. बट डेफिनेटली इट इज अ प्रॉपर्टी टू बी लाइक. आई एम लाइकिंग इट वेरी मच. दैट इज व्हाई आई एम गोइंग टू ट्राई ऑल द डिफरेंट प्लेसेस, different types of suites and villas and luxury suites also. So if you like the video, if you like this property, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you have not done yet, and keep sharing your love with me. Thank you so much for all your support. Bye bye.